Hi friends, this is Mithun for Raindrop channel. Here I'm going to introduce a new WhatsApp tip, the first WhatsApp tip of WhatsApp in January 2019. It is an interesting one. It's a WhatsApp group call facility. Don't forget to watch this video till end, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon. If you like the video, please press the like button and also write your comment in our comment box. Here we are going to the tip. So before that, please before that, open the WhatsApp. Okay, check whether your WhatsApp is updated with a new version. huh? New version, that's WhatsApp Messenger version 2.19.5. It is a new update. These facilities are only available in this updated version. Okay okay then select the group icon if you're going to contact the group call. Okay, let's wait and select a group. There is a, we can able to see right top corner we have a symbol is there, a phone symbol with plus sign. Select that. Select the contact. The contact list is only available. The person you are going to call have your number as a contact. So select a person. Wait. Mm, yes, here we go. Select the contact. Then that's contact is there. There is a two option is there on video call and the audio call. Select the video call has an option. Now to select the audio call, it is the possible is there. So ringing. So okay, wait. The person is answering. Yes, answer the call. If he answer the call, just wait. Person is coming. Then select the call. Add the multiple persons come up with this. So this is why so we can add more content as a call. So this is a facility available. Thank you.